how to add your work history in LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Let's learn to add your work experience and history to make your LinkedIn account more attractive. First, open the LinkedIn app and make sure to log into your account. Now, from the top left, you can see an option that shows your profile. Tap on it and tap on your name to go to your profile. Now scroll and find the place where you can see add experience. There at the side you can see a plus icon. Tap on it and there you can see the option to add position or career break. Tap on add position and now write title of your job, your employment type, your start date, end date, location you worked on, the company you worked on, location type, everything. You can additionally also add description of the job, what you did. After you complete every details, just hit save. And that's it. That is how you add your work experience to your LinkedIn profile. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.